Welcome to Luxury High Heels. Today we are bringing you a collection that is all about beauty, elegance, and confidence. If you love luxury shoes, stay with us because every pair has something special. Let's start with the first pair. Look at that shape. The design is clean, elegant, and very eye-catching. It is the kind of heel that can make a simple outfit looks instantly more beautiful. Now, take a look at the next pair. This one has a different feel. The details are stylish and the shape is beautiful and the whole design looks very luxurious. And we are just getting started. As the collection continues, you will see heels in different shapes, colors and styles. Some are simple and classy, while others are bold and are made to get attention. Black heels are always a perfect choice. They look elegant with almost everything. White heels gives a fresh look. Gold and silver heels brings that extra luxury feelings. Soft and pink shades looks beautiful and graceful. But what makes luxury heels so special? It is the little details. The shape of the heel, the straps, the finish, and even the smallest design touches can change the whole look of the shoes. A beautiful pair of heels can also change the way you feel. Put on the right pair, stand tall, and suddenly your outfit feels completely. You can style these heels with a dress, skirt, jeans, or a beautiful evening outfit. There are so many ways to create your own look. And remember, fashion is not only about looking good, it is also about feeling confident. Choose the style that feels right for you. If you love high heels, you already know that one beautiful pair can make you stop and look twice. So keep watching and enjoy every design in the today's collection. Now, tell us something. Which pair catch your eye first? And which one would actually wear? Share your favorite in the comments below. If you enjoyed this luxury heels collection, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell. More beautiful heels, more luxury, more style, and more fashion inspirations are coming your way. Thank you so much for watching. Stay confident, stay stylish, and keep shining. See you in the next video.